Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see right here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really manually change the date and time. It is because we are using automatic options. So first of all we have to tap on the first option and pick the option off. Then the time format, we can also turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and the same situation with the time zone. So right now we can change everything manually. So let's tap on date, and as you can see just by swiping we can set the date we want to use. Tap on OK, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and by scrolling set the time you'd like to use. Tap on OK. Of course it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The time format, and basically you can decide whether you want to use 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied. It's up to you basically. Here you've got the time zone, so just tap on select time zone and we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So of course simply scroll and find it and then tap on it. So for example this one, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. It's pretty normal. Here you've got also the dual clock, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. You can of course set the automatic time zone or you can change it totally. It's up to you. Alright, so this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. You can go back to all previous settings, of course, just by tapping on those switchers right here next to the set time zone automatically and use local default. And right here we have to either pick the GPS provided time or network provided time, which was set before. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.